Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be introducing our upgraded home cinema with the new LUMOS AURO V2 projector. There have been several improvements to the LUMOS AURO Pro, a budget-friendly entry-level projector which we have previously reviewed in a separate video. The link can be found in the description below. We would like to thank LUMOS for sending us this new projector and are excited to introduce it to you. Without further ado, let's quickly unbox this projector and see what new improvements have been made. First off, the LUMOS AURO V2 is more compact than its predecessor, coming in a smaller form factor as well as lighter in weight of 2 kg. Again, it retains the nice sleek exterior which will not look out of place in any setting and will blend right into your home decor. What we first noticed with the new projector is the brand new operating system which has a more modern user interface and feels more responsive with smooth switching between the menu items. This is in stark contrast with the previous version that appears dated and can be quite slow and glitchy sometimes. If there was just one reason to buy this new projector, it would be how easy the setup process is. What we were most impressed with was the automatic screen correction of the new LUMOS AURO V2 projector. We recall many instances where we have to go through the arduous task of manually adjusting the angle, the height, the focus, and then subsequently perform keystone correction to optimize for a decent image on the projection surface before we can get to enjoy our movies. And whenever the projector's position was changed, this painfully tedious process needed to be repeated again, which can take up a considerable amount of time. However, with the new projector, we were pleasantly surprised and amazed at how easy and quick the setup process was. It was literally just a matter of setting down the projector and kicking back to relax and watch the projector perform its wonders. The LUMOS AURO V2 comes packed with state-of-the-art autofocus and autocorrection technology. With AI optimization, the projector automatically adjusts focus, performs keystone correction, and even dodging obstacles to provide the optimal image within a matter of seconds. Say goodbye to excruciating manual screen adjustments. And if you need to adjust to another angle, the projector even detects movement and repeats the process again automatically to get the best image. The automatic correction may not be perfect occasionally, but this is fine as we are given the option to make fine adjustments subsequently or perform manual 4-point keystone correction altogether. In addition, what sets the LUMOS AURO V2 apart from the competition is that it is the first Singapore brand projector to be officially certified by Netflix and YouTube, which marks a milestone for the brand. This means that you can say goodbye to annoying login errors and compatibility issues with third-party versions of the Netflix and YouTube apps, as in the previous iteration of the projector. The new latest original apps come pre-installed with the projector and work seamlessly to provide smooth playback of content without lag in the highest video quality and resolution. No more crashing or problematic update issues with your favorite media apps. We also like it that they have incorporated these thoughtful shortcut buttons to the remote for convenient access and quick switching between the apps, instead of traditionally having to return to the home menu and scrolling to select for the app desired. LUMOS has also markedly improved its mirroring features with inbuilt native apps. You can now connect to Android, Apple, or use DLNA to seamlessly project your phone screen onto the massive screen with minimal lag, zero ads, and minimal restrictions. No more messing around with third-party apps which crashes every now and then. You can now play your mobile games on a big screen or even use your wall as a large additional extended desktop monitor with the inbuilt casting app to boost your screen real estate. While other smart projectors lack the processing power or an official web browser to serve websites smoothly, the industry-leading chipset used in LUMOS AURO V2 allows the capability to surf the net as smoothly as possible. Connect the mouse to it and it functions almost exactly like a desktop or laptop for you to surf your favorite websites. Being a short-throw projector, the LUMOS AURO V2 only requires a small distance of 1.5 meters to project to a huge 50-inch screen. That's right, you can enjoy a huge 50-inch screen in any room of your home, whether it is a BTO, resale HDB, condo or landed property. And if you want to go even bigger, you can immerse yourself in a cinematic 300-inch screen experience. When it comes to picture quality, the projector does not disappoint. With native 1080p resolution and bright 6000 lumens, you get Blu-ray standard visuals that are vibrant and clear even in daylight. Say goodbye to grainy or washed out images. And let's not forget about the audio experience. Unlike other projectors that offer shallow sound, the LUMOS AURO V2 comes equipped with inbuilt Dolby Audio dual speakers. You'll enjoy rich, dynamic, full-bodied sound with a powerful bass without the need for an extra sound system, which is perfect for an immersive home theater audio experience. As a trusted local brand, LUMOS has earned rave reviews from Singaporean users with over 2,000 5-star ratings on their website, so you can trust that you are getting a quality product backed by satisfied customers. In summary, the LUMOS AURO V2 has made significant improvements since the last generation. We were most impressed with its AI-aided automatic image correction, which made it super convenient to set up the projector. It is definitely a well-balanced option as a home cinema projector, offering top-tier features at an unbeatable price of just $498. Whether you are a movie buff, a gamer, or just looking to upgrade your home entertainment setup, this projector is designed for you. And with its local warranty and adjustable stand option, LUMOS makes it easy to bring the cinema experience home. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. And if you have any questions or want to share your own experience with LUMOS, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy projecting!